Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from the Ubisoft Connect application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ubisoft Connect application on your device. And once you open it up, this will directly take you into the Ubisoft Launcher application and you will automatically be logged in. This happens if you have chosen the Remember Me option while you logged into this device. So if you wish to log out from your account, just click on the right arrow alongside your username and you will now see the logout button. Go ahead and click on this and this will now log you out from your account on the Ubisoft Connect application right away. And after being logged out, you will once again be taken back into the login screen from which you can once again log in if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Ubisoft Connect application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.